Hi, it's Trisha here. And first, I want to talk about what is a content creator. You can take a look on Google and do some research and learn some different approaches to content creating. But essentially, it's someone who creates content, whether that be graphics, templates, documents, videos, audio files, podcasts for an audience. The key to making passive income is knowing how to turn that content into paid content. Now, there's a delicate balance between paid content and free content. If you want to build a really good quality, loyal audience, people that will engage with you, you need to provide good quality free content. And then at some point during that journey with your audience, you will start to offer them paid content. Now, this paid content will go deeper into solving their problems, go deeper into giving them an instant result for whatever it is that they're looking for. On Passive Income Today, as an example, I provide a ton of free content to help people make passive income online. Now, they can go through that content, it'll spark some ideas, give them some thoughts around what they could pursue next. And then the next step, if they were interested in purchasing products, I'll be able to recommend them to them. So that's how I convert my free content into paid content. Now, any type of content creator, I guess what we have heard of in the past are influencers, and influencers would go online and promote or shout about products. Let's go one step further. A content creator is a much better role to be in if you want to make passive income. A content creator is also a lot more fun, and it's more about being authentically you and how you can help people. So content creating is an excellent way to make money online, and we're going to cover that in the lessons as you go through this course. Thank you.